Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and so for today's video, kasama ulit natin si Grizzly ng We Bear Bears. Say hello to the vlog, Grizzly! Hello to our viewers! Hello, hello! Hello to all of you guys who's watching right now all over the world. So wherever you are, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Roots channel, to Ate Roots channel. Whoa! Thank you, Grizzly. Alright, so meanwhile, just sit back and relax, okay? While I am doing the job. Okay, so going back, guys, I would be doing today the unboxing. My first ever unboxing for a mystery pouch that I purchased from Lazada during their sale period, of course, on December 12th, 2019. So I received it yesterday, that was December 19th. So it's like 7 days delivery. And this is actually a mystery pouch game December edition of Lazada, and I bought it for 350 pesos, and together with the delivery fee I paid around $407 or 407 pesos rather. Okay, so according to the description, the price of this item that I would be receiving is actually around 15,000 pesos. So let's find out if I'm lucky enough to receive an advanced Christmas gift from Lazada, or am I not? Let's take a look. So this is the pouch or the box of Lazada. So we will do the unboxing in 1, 2, 3. Okay, right now, let's do this. So it says here, sold by iShop.ph and shipped through Lazada. It's actually delivered by Lex, pick up by Lex PH. Okie dokie. So here it is. Let's not for this one. Let's do this right now. What do you think is this, guys? I guess it's only box and then box and then joke. So, oh, can you see that? Any idea? Of course, this is the box. Oh, a surprise po! Lazada effortless shopping. Yeah, online shopping is effortless because you don't need to go out. You just click on your cell phone or computer or laptop to buy what you need, and there you go. You can, so just wait for the delivery man and then pay it if you prefer the cash delivery. You can just simply pay by cash. Otherwise, if you have a credit card or debit card, you can do that. So there's lots of payment method being used when you're ordering online. So any guys of what this is? Na-receive ko siya kagabi actually. I'm just quite excited. I'm quite excited to open it, but I wait for, since gabi na nga, wala pa namang ilaw kung magbibidyo. Madilim. Kaya ngayon ako nag-video. And apart from that, I still wanted to sleep because I still have work at night. So I prefer to shoot today because video today. So there you have it. It looks like I'm not lucky. Because if it's a cell, do you think this will be the box? Do you think that? Another mystery box. See here. Says here, congratulations! You're one step closer to winning. You might not have won today, but you're able to help someone in partnership with Helping Hands. Proceeds from this box will fund children in need of new school supplies. Thank you for joining the mystery box game. There you have it. The ungrip solution. So here it is. Ungrip makes your phone feel smaller. It allows you to effortlessly handle any phone with one hand, just like the old days. So this is the ungrip your phone. This is one of the item. Let's see the other one. Yay. Oh my god, this is what. So this is the multi-band Kiss the World by Design Creativity. Cha-chan! Multi-band. So it's like, so it's a self-standing function for watching moving images on your smartphone. So this is also an accessory for phone. Oh, and then I received a Ramos battery pack. Oh, here it is. Ramos battery pack. It's like what? I have no idea. So basically, these are all accessories for cell phone. What do you think? Wow, not bad for the creativity. Here it is. Universal battery comes with a USB connector. So it's for charging your battery. It's a handy dandy battery pack. I'm not quite sure how much is this, but I have a battery pack. I bought it for around 900 pesos. So let me check where is that one. I'm not showing it here. Okay, so not bad for a 350 pesos or 400 pesos price. So basically, I did not want an iPhone or cell phone, but at least I have this. Better luck next time for me. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's for the unboxing of the Mstery Box Pouch Summer Game Edition from Lazada. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. So say bye bye now, Grizzly. Bye bye. Bye everyone.